The CORSAIR 3500X ARGB PC case combines functionality and aesthetics with its wraparound tempered glass, providing a stunning view of your build. 3 pre-installed ARGB fans ensure efficient cooling and seamless lighting control for a superior performance. The case's versatile design supports a range of motherboard sizes, from Mini-ITX to EATX, accommodating various build preferences. It features multiple fan mounting options on the side, roof, and bottom, allowing for up to 10 120mm fans to keep your components cool. Removable tempered glass panels make it easy to access your system for maintenance or upgrades. The compatibility with reverse connection motherboards ensures a clean, cable-free appearance, enhancing the overall aesthetic.